back and take a chair because Bheki is cooking, guys. Bheki has just revealed that MKP is funded by Louis van der Beek. Who is Louis van der Beek? Louis van der Beek is the kingpin of the Zamazamas, guys. Who are the Zamazamas, guys? The Zamazamas are the guys who go underground without legal permission, guys. They go underground illegally, guys, and look for the diamonds, guys, okay, carrying guns and arrow and all that stuff. So Bheki has revealed that Louis van der Beek is the biggest criminal, guys. Yes, guys, he is the one who is funding the Zamazamas, and they are supporting Louis van der Beek. The MKP, guys, is supporting Louis van der Beek, guys. Here's the clip of Bheki sharing this exciting news, guys, or this sad news. I don't know how they're gonna see it according to you, guys. Here's the clip of Bheki.
Let me tell you one story of a person that I met who is the king of Zamazamas. Actually, there are two Zamazamas. One, I forget his surname, is a Soto guy because this guy, Zamazamas are mostly also run from Lesotho. I met him. Later, that guy is arrested, but he wants to meet me to give me information. Okay. The second thing that could not be made direct. There is a guy called LL. I don't know if you know a guy called LL. SC. His name is Louis Lubenberg. He's a king of Zamazamas. He cleans diamonds and everything. He's millions and millions. He funds MKP. He maybe finds Baba and through him MKP because he paid 500,000. He paid 500,000 for the case for the private case to be taken to court. I think taking case privately you pay. He paid that money, and he has been arrested. He's in prison as I speak for running diamond. He has appeared in court, and MK has been in court supporting him every day when he goes to court. Now,
yep, guys, that was Bheki dropping a bombshell, guys. So he was revealing that Louis van der Beek, guys, is funding the MKP, guys, of which is Umkhonto weSizwe, a party that is ruled by the ex-president Jacob Zuma, guys. So I don't know what's your take on this one, guys. You can leave your reviews, opinion down in the comment section. I love to hear from you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel, guys. Once again, thanks for watching, guys.